What's up, people? Today we are going to be trying to design a Roblox game using only AI. I'm using Gemini, and I asked, first of all, would you be able to help me design code and do everything there is to do to upload a game to Roblox? Gemini says, yes, absolutely. I can act as your lead developer, game designer, QA tester throughout the entire process. I just have to basically put the stuff into Roblox Studio myself because it can't access that. But it can help with the game design and concept, the scripting, which is Luau, visuals and assets, publishing and marketing. And it says, are you ready to start? To get the ball rolling, I need to know a little bit about your vision. What kind of, it even asks you questions. What kind of game do you want to make? Sword fighting arena, a pet simulator, a difficult obstacle course, whatever. So I want to keep it pretty basic this first time. I think I'm going to do, I've been thinking about this before I even started. And I think I'm going to do like a version of that old school game, Flappy Bird, but with some, obviously, some tweaks for Roblox. So let's ask Gemini, have you ever heard of Flappy Bird? And do you know the concept and how it all works? I think I'd like to make a Roblox version of this game. All right, so it's thinking, of course, we'll probably cut here and there to make this quick and easy. So it's very familiar with Flappy Bird, classic example of simple mechanics that is incredibly addictive and frustrating. The core breakdown how it works now we can translate it into Roblox. The game was very straightforward. Gravity, the bird is constantly following downward. Lift, the tap when the player taps or clicks the bird gets a sudden upward velocity, a jump. Obstacles, pipes appear on the right side of the screen and move to the left. The gap, the bird must pass through the gap between the top and the bottom piece pipes. Fail state, if the bird touches a pipe or the ground, game over, scoring pass on a pipe, as plus 1 point. We have two main ways to do this in Roblox. We need to decide which vibe you want. The classic 2D arcade, or do you want a 3D version? So it looks and feels like the original mobile game. Or we can do play with friends and see them crash into pipes next to you. To push, use body velocity or linear velocity to push the 3D characters up and physical parts for the pipe. Multiplayer experience where you can race against others. That sounds pretty good. My cat is meowing it up at me. If you want to make a popular Roblox game, 3D is usually more engaging for players because they can use that. I think we're gonna go for 3D, and we're just gonna go all the way in, right? We're just gonna go all the way in. Man, you know what I'm thinking? Maybe I should do this like with brain rots. Like somehow, like if you get to the end or get to a certain point, you can like, because since brain rots are so popular, obviously, it'll be like Flappy Bird for brain rots. So like you'll get to a certain distance and you can, man, this is actually a really good idea. You can get brain rots, of course. If you die, you can pay Robux to start from where you died, and then you can, maybe you can like pick up your speed or whatever by making money off the brain rots at your base. This could be a good idea. Okay, so let's go for 3D. However, I've decided I want to add some additional concepts. I want to add brain rots into the game. We'll talk more about what this is later. However, I want a base to take the brain rots back to. They will make money. With the money, we can buy upgrades or abilities that help us get further in the game. Also, if you die in the game, you can pay Robux to respawn yourself. Also, I want to be able to spend Robux to buy the additional abilities without having to make money in game. So let's go from there. I was gonna stream this, but I was like, what if someone steals my idea? That'd be terrible. Obby to Flappy. Okay, it says fantastic pivot, effectively mixing three very popular Roblox games. Just I am. Tycoon Simulator, Gotcha Collection, Hybrid Star, where you play a minigame to get resources. Okay, perfect. So we need the run. You fly through pipes, obstacles. I want something different though. I need something different so it's not just pipes. Well, pipes, obstacles, yeah, but I don't think about pipes. So just high score, you collect brain rots. Maybe they are floating in the gaps or earn currency for distance. You return to a safe zone lobby. You place your collected brain rots in pins or display cases. Brain rots passively generate cash over time. The upgrade you use cash to buy better stats, jump height, speed control, magnetic pool to get further in the run. Use Robux dev process to revive instantly after in a pole. Use Robux to skip the grind and buy ability brain rots directly. Perfect. The flat mechanic. Before we worry about base or brain rots, we need to make sure flying feels good. The movement's clunky. Players won't grind. We need a script that disables standard Roblox walking, jumping, constantly pushes the player forward, auto run, abilities, jump force when they click tab, detects collisions with pipes to kill them. Shall we start by writing the flat script together? I generate the code for a local script that you can put in a starter player scripts to handle the flying physics. Yes, please. Just a note. I think I want to do something besides pipes as the obstacles, but we can talk more about this later. Just keep that in mind. I think I'm going to stream this. I think people can give me good ideas. Let's go for it. The people on stream to get some help. We're opening Roblox Studio. Yo, Zanny, what it do, yo? How's it going? Yo, Prime Thrust, you are the best. You finally got first. Let's go, GG's. GG's. Should I start with a tour? I don't think I'm going to start with a tour. You have an unrated experience that is currently unplayable. Okay, I don't really care about that because I haven't ever actually tried to make a game before. What's good, LFEY? You've been gone for a while because you hate me. Because you hate me. Okay, we're trying to make a Roblox game is what we're doing on this stream, guys. I was going to maybe not make a stream about it, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to try to stream it in case I can get some ideas from you guys. Who got first? Zanny got first. Right, open Roblox Studio in the Explorer window on the right. Look for Starter Player. Open the folder Starter Character Scripts. I'm looking for something called Starter Player. You getting ready to leave your house? You're hungry? I just ate. I made homemade burrito bowls. It was delicious. It was delicious. Look for Starter Player. What the heck is Starter Player? Maybe a new experience? Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff to look at. This is going to take some work to learn, chat. Open the folder Starter Character Scripts. Man. Starter Character. Why does it say on the right side? Maybe someone will come in that has a little bit of know-how with this. You've been wanting a burrito bowl? Go get it. You have sofritas you can eat. Vegan. I like sofritas. It's good. It's good. Oh, look. It has the AI assistants. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. Where can I find starter character? Where can I find starter character? Let's just try that. Is it going to respond? Is it just really slow? It's responding. Maybe I should go to scripts. This looks like a script. You want hibachi? Hibachi actually sounds really good. Answer object local script. Man, this is going to be crazy. Okay, I found it. I found it. Okay, I found it. So starter player. Okay, open the folder, starter character script. Okay, right here. Okay, starter character script. Right click it, insert object. And then we're going to do local script. All right, we're getting here. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. I think I can just type it in. Local script. Boom. All right, so we're insert object, local script. Rename the script to floppy flight. Okay, rename floppy flight. Yo, what up, Frostbite? You're gonna go bald, bro? That's crazy. Don't do that. So I guess it's whatever your hair will grow back, but you have such nice hair. I don't think you should do it. That's crazy. Okay, we're gonna copy the code. Can I just take this out? Like, who cares? All right, so there's our code. Click play in Roblox Studio. I don't even know how to do that, bro. Did I go to home? I am used to do Roblox Studio. Nice. How do I play the script? How do I play the script then? You're cutting your bangs again. Then you just cut your bangs. Then you gave yourself bangs back. Okay, forget the assistance. Oh, how do I play this? Oh, there we go. Okay, so I guess technically my guy is running. So I guess that's what we kind of want. Okay. Tap spacebar, click to fly up. If you stop clicking, you should fall. Two. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so it's pretty good, but it definitely needs more. But it's a good start. It's a good start. But we're running backwards. We need to run forward. Okay, stop it. All right, Zanny. Yeah, but we're going short. I was leaving. See with the short banks. To be honest. All right. Good luck, yo. Good luck, yo. I think I got it, Frostbite. Okay. Okay. So this is a good start. However, my character is running backwards, not forward. I'm making like a Flappy Bird kind of style game. It's got a lot more to it, but I'm gonna start off like a Flappy Bird thing. What would be good instead of pipes? You know, like you pipes and you go through the pipes for Flappy Bird. What would be a better option than pipes? Okay, so I have to go to the top here. Root part.c frame. I'm gonna have to control F it. Okay, so basically we're gonna take this and replace this line here. I think I did it. Let's see if it runs forward now. Maybe cactus, thorn spikes, lava, a bunch of stuff. Lava might be good, like falling lava. Still running backwards. Hold on. Keep the character passing forward and upright. Here, let's see. Okay, I think that should work. Let's see. There we go. Now we're running forward. Pouring acid or something radioactive. Yeah, I need spaces to get through, you know? I wonder if movement would be even harder. Okay. So for fixing movement, want to confirm the camera angle you want for the game. Temple Run style, camera's behind the player and you run to the screen away from the camera. Mario Classic style, camera's on the side, you run from left to right across the screen. Let's see. Currently, it's in Mario style. Let's try Temple Run style. Let's see what Temple Run style looks like. Shout out for AI. Shout out to AI. Lock the camera. We need a script that forces the camera to stay behind the player. Align the player, ensure the player is facing the same direction the camera is looking. The script will grab the camera and stick. You know what might be better than a floppy game? Maybe if I did a Frogger style. Maybe a Frogger style would be easier, where you're like jumping across things. Because the overall goal here, I'm trying to make like a brain rot game, basically, right? But like, so of course you want to like get to some point where you can grab brain rots, take them back to your base. But like maybe like a Frogger style would be better. Then you could have other people next to you as well, like trying to jump across the Frogger areas, you know? I think this might be a better idea. I think I'm gonna do it that way. Let's start over. I decided instead of Flappy Bird style game, I want to make it a Frogger style game, but same concepts overall. So more of an obby style in one direction moving forward rather than up, with things to jump on that move from left to right and right to left, such as Frogger, for more multiplayer fun. That way you don't constantly move. You can come back, rotate your camera, you can constantly move, constantly control your character. Come back and forth and rotate your camera. You can make it similar towards Crossy Roads. What is Crossy Roads? Let me see it real quick. Crossy Roads. I did not spell roads right. Crossy Road. Is that a Roblox game? Like Cross the Road Obby, I guess. Let me see. Oh, it's an iOS game. Let me see this game. This kind of looks, I think this is kind of like what I'm trying to do, but with a lot more different stuff. This is kind of what I want to do. But like, in the end, this is pretty much kind of like what I want to do. I guess no matter what you think of, someone's already going to kind of thought of it. We're going to kind of do like this, but we're going to add a lot more to it. So this is pretty good. I want to die way easier, though. It should be a one-shot death. Okay. Run forward up the screen to reach a safe zone, the base. You collect meme coins or similar brain rots on your path to bring back to your base. There's this gist of the game. Maybe you can make it more difficult for further you go. Yeah, definitely, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's delete this floppy flight. Okay. Insert object local script. This is too fixed. I don't want quite a fixed camera angle like this. Okay. I don't want a fixed camera angle. I want to be able to control the camera freely. Let's do that again. This is gonna take forever. It's gonna take forever. But maybe it'll be the most popular game on Roblox. Delete the Fogger camera script and chase camera if it's still there. Delete the floppy flash script. Yeah, okay. Okay, so basically we're just deleting everything we just started with. Delete it. Oops, I just deleted something else. Whatever. If I go back in, I should just have a normal. Okay. You'll play for me? I appreciate that. It's gonna it's gonna be a process for sure. Okay. Let's see here. We could add like comet storms that come down while you're trying to run across, like earthquakes, whatever, right? So I need something like I don't really want it to be just normal cars and trains. Like, what else can we have? Let's see. All right, let's start. Wait. I want the goal to be to capture brain rots and bring them back to your base. However, I don't want brain rots to kill you. Normally, there would be cars, trains, maybe planes, boats on water, logs on water you jump on. Give me additional ideas that are not so normal. Let's have it give me some ideas. Yeah, alligator. Well, that's a great idea. Alligators, water creatures that you jump. Well, also, like, what if like one kills you though? Like you jump on the alligator and then it kills you. You know, like maybe you have to like recognize like some alligators are okay to jump on and some aren't okay to jump on. You know. All right, so we got giant Roombas, vacuum robots. They spin while moving and hit you. Rolling L's, a band hammer, glitch walls, shopping carts. The river, the floor is lava. This is all good. Giant pizza slices, floating crocs, smartphones. The job, infinite darkness, the platforms you'll jump on, Wi-Fi signals, glowing bars, or server racks in the air. Okay, this is pretty good. We'll stick with whatever they say right now. Let's see. It says the goal is to grab a brain rot and bring it back. We need a backup system. Here's the logic we need to build. The pickup. When you touch a brain rot, it wells to your character. Okay. Rather Then at welding to your character, I want the player to have to get to it, stand next to it, or on top of it, or inside of it, and hold E to pick it up, and then run it back without dying. Maybe you can be aware if the alligator has their mouth open. Yeah, that's a great idea. Exactly, that's a great idea. Don't jump on one with the mouth open. Genius. Let's go. This is going to be like days and days to get this to work. I need to make this mobile friendly too, which is going to be difficult. I got to create a part or mesh part that looks like a brain rot. Name it brain rot item. Add the prompt, hover over brain rot item in the Explorer, click plus, search for proximity prompt. Oh, golly. Okay, create a part or mesh part. How do I even create a part? What does that even mean, create a part? Rome wasn't built in a day. That is true. That is true. If I actually get through this and make it once, it'll probably be really easy to do it the next time. A lot easier for sure. Let me see. How do I create a part or mesh part? Oh, I have to actually create the part. Okay, I got you. Hover to random item in the Explorer, click plus, search for a proximity prompt. Okay, wait. When you say create a part or mesh part, is that the brain rot we are picking up? And how do I do this? I'm a little confused. A little confused on what we're doing here. We are trying to make a game, Cappy. We're trying to make a game. Pre-made 3D models of memes. Open the toolbox. I'm trying to make like a brain rot game, but like more like Frogger style, if that makes sense. Okay, so we got to. Well, because brain rots are really popular, and we want our game to do well, so we're gonna start with what's really popular right now. You know, gotta start with a super popular first, and if it works out, then we can just spin off of that. You know. Okay, using the toolbox. Open the toolbox. Go to the View tab at the very top. Yo, what up, foo? What up, foo? Oh no, game passers are gonna be full pay to win. We'll see how it goes, man. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I need to like. What are plugins? Okay. Click on the View tab at the very top of Roblox Studio. Click on the toolbox. It's not even like There's not even a toolbox icon. You'll pay for it. Thanks, Seal. You're the best, bro. All right. I'm gonna time out Silver 24 hours for talking trash. For talking trash. Seal's already banned from the stream for today. There. You guys timed out for 1 hour. Freaking jerk. Come here talking about no views. Bro, you're a freaking jerk. About to piss me off already. All right. Bye-bye. That's right, Pithy. You're the best. You're the best. Cabby did not say it. It was Seal. Because Seal's thing is gone. It said Seal came in and goes no views. If Cabby said it, it would still say no views in the chat somewhere, and it does not. All right. I don't know how to find the toolbar. Oh, there's the toolbox right there in the window, but why is it unhighlighted? Oh, look, it's over here on the side. Okay, look, it's already here. Okay. Okay, we added a 6-7. Oh, the 1 hour timeout? I got you. There's so much to learn. That's what we use AI for, bro. We're using AI. Oops, I did not mean to do that twice. Can I go back to the game now? All right, I got a brain rot here. All right, so we got a 6-7 in our game. Now we got to make the script to pick it up. I got to go pee. I got to go pee. I'll be back. Maybe focus on trying to get a script code for line of the game so you can pick up the brain. I think that's what I'm about to do right now. Yeah, I'm about to put that in right now. Or you can focus on a base where people would like to store the brain. I'm gonna put the code in right now to try to pick this sucker up. All right, so we got to stop this. So here's my AI that I'm working with over here. We need to hover over brain rot item in the Explorer and click on proximity. Proximity prompt. There we go. Holy crap, that's a lot. Okay. Action text. What does that even mean? Okay. Add a script, server script inside brain rot item, name it pickup script. So add another one and call it pickup script. Wait, what? Add a script, a server script. I don't understand what that means. Add a script, server script inside brain rot item. Okay, so there should be an action text. Okay, so we got to name this brain rot item first of all. I guess we'll have to like go as we go. Brain rot item. Let's just do 6.7 so I know what it is. Brain rot item 6.7. What up, 3 Marine? Trying to make my own game. Trying to learn how to make a game on Roblox. It's gonna be a slow stream with me trying to figure stuff out, basically. Using AI. It's easy. Is it easy? Is it easy? Is it easy? Okay, I need to find. So I have the proximity. Okay, here we go. Action text down here. Okay, so action text. This is gonna be pick up. Okay. I'm learning to do it myself for sure. Object text is gonna be. I just want to be pick up. And that's like what shows up when you like, right? Or like, maybe it should be like hold to pick up. Let's just see. Let's see. Hold duration. We'll change that to 1 because you gotta hold it for 1 second. Keyboard is E. That's perfect. Okay, now I gotta add the pickup script. Add a script, server script inside. How do I add a server script, 3 Mori? If it's so easy. How do I add a server script? Server script? No, it didn't work. It's called. Well, where do you put it at? Oh, like server script servers? Is that it? Or is it something different? It said, look, it's right there. It says add a script, server script inside the brain rot item. But like, I can't add it inside for some reason. Maybe I put this in the wrong place in the first place. Because like if I try to right click here, insert. I don't want to insert an object, I don't think. Do I? No, I don't think that's right. Insert. You put a script inside server scripts. Maybe in here, insert. Add a script. I don't understand why I can't put it in here though. I could just add a script, but I don't think that's right. Hold on. See, like it has E to pick up, but it didn't actually pick it up. You see, but I have that part down. Just put a script, then move it to the server script. Just put a script, move it to the server script. So is the server script? Is that the server script service right here? I'll try doing it in here. Let's just try doing it in here. Okay, let's just try doing it here and see if it works. Pick up scripts. I need to actually just do what it says right now, or else I'm gonna mess this stuff up. I could tell already. The drop offs. Okay, let's see. First of all, let's see if it picks it up now. It did not pick it up. Like that, maybe? Let's see. Oh, I thought that was gonna be it for a second. So maybe it's not. Maybe it's because it's not a server script. Delete it. Let's try again. I'm bad at this. I've literally never done it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Everybody starts somewhere. Okay. Let's see. How do you add a server script? Let me see. Okay, yeah, but like, okay, here's the brain rot. How do I put a server script? Like, how do I add it though? Find server script service. Okay. Hover your mouse over search plus search menu will pop up type script. Okay. So is script the same thing as server script? I think it has to be, right? All right. Hold on. I'm going to have to ask this what I'm doing wrong here. Okay. Here is, I'm going to ask AI what I'm doing wrong. Here is a screenshot of what I did for script inside a brain rot item. However, it's not picking up. What did I do wrong? Sheesh. Just find the server script. I mean, there's not. Like, if I type in server, like, nothing comes up. There's only script, local script, module script, screen UI. There's no server script. I mean, there's a server script. There's like a server. It's all good. People always bashing. You know, I'm used to it already. Keep the script you have. Open the screenshot. Select the brain rot item script. Delete all the code aside. Paste the code instead. The pickup logic. Okay. Oh, it says I put the wrong code in there. Let's try. Okay, let me see it again. That did not work. I'm trying my best. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't. You know, it's all good. Maybe it's because it's not labeled the exact right. What's AYFM? What's AYFM mean? What's this guy trying to tell me? He's trying to say something in your fucking mouth? What is it? Hold on. Let's see. Still didn't pick it up. Well, I have like a script in here. Are you fucking mad? In your screenshot, I can see that your brain rot item is a model. The icon is a group of color blocks, not a single part. Models are containers. They have properties like anchor to collide. Okay, your script is trying to say script false and script parent is a model. The script crashes because the models don't have an anchor checkpoint interface. We need to tell the script to find the root part inside your model. I can see it in your Explorer list and attach that instead. Replace your entire script inside. Okay, we're gonna try this new script. Let's see. We did it! We have picked up the brain rot. Easy! Easy! Should we look like we're holding it or does it matter? Let's go. All right, we are on it. Now I got to figure out how to drop it. Yeah, now the place mechanics. Okay. Okay, we now have it picked up. Let's do the drop zone part. Start from the beginning and explain it again. All right, actually, you know what? Drop zone part. Wait. I want there to be two options. I want to be able, hold on. I want to be able to have a drop button where I can just drop it anywhere instantly. Also, though, when I get back to the base, I want the base to have square platforms where they can be placed rather than dropped onto the platform. All right. You need to make a GUI, the name it dropped and color it. Bro, that is just like oversimplifying it. That is oversimplifying it. You need to make a GUI, the name it dropped and color it to red and then text white. That means absolutely nothing to me. I appreciate you trying to help, but like, what? I'll be like, how do I make a GUI? How do I name it drop? How do I color it red? How do I do the text white? Okay. We need a job button, the display stand, where you deposit item, lock it in, and get paid. We need to wait for the client to your click your your button click to talk to the server. Okay. Create the bridge, remote event. This acts like a telephone wire between your button and the server. And the Explorer find replicated storage. Right click it. Okay, so I gotta find replicated storage. Okay, here it is. Okay, so stop this. Okay, replicated storage. Right click, insert object, and it's gonna be remove event. Insert object, remove event. All right, we got a remove event. Okay, rename it to drop item event. Okay, rename drop item event. Does it matter if it's capital letters or not? Let's see. Hold on. Okay, that's good. Now create the drop button. Go to the starter GUI in the Explorer. Right click the starter GUI. Okay, here's starter GUI. Okay, starter GUI. Right click, insert object, screen GUI. Insert object, screen GUI. Okay. Rename it Game HUD. Okay, rename Game HUD. And then we're gonna do a text insert object. We need a text button. Okay. Customize the button. Name it drop button. Okay. Rename drop button. Okay. Change text to drop item. Okay. Where's the text at here? Okay. Drop item. Okay. Now click the drop button. Add a local script. And then paste this in there. All right. Now we need the server to listen for that call to physically unstick the item from your bag. Go to server script services. Sheesh, it's gonna take so long. Okay, server script services. Create a new script and name it drop handler. Okay, plus script. Rename to drop handler. Paste this code. Okay, easy. Okay. Okay, let's just see first of all if we can drop this sucker now. Okay, pick it up. I don't see a drop button yet. Oh wait, the drop button is like up here at the top. Look, drop item. You can't see it's behind my camera. It's still not working. No, hold on, wait. Let me. Okay, I'll fix it. Like it's behind the camera. It has like a drop item white box on the top left. Let's finish this and then we'll figure out how to put that because we want it like inside our body. And we want it to be like more bold and like it has a big white. It looks ugly. Here, let me move my camera so you can see what it looks like. See, like right there, it says job item. You see that? That's not what we're looking for. You know what? Let's make this a little better so you guys can see better. Broadcast. Here, we'll put on a green screen real quick. Okay. Let's go ahead and take off the webcam border. And we'll move this down here. All right, there. Now you guys can probably better see what's going on. Okay. All right. Okay, wait. Before we make the stand, the drop item button is in the top left of the screen. And it doesn't actually drop the item. One, I want the drop item to be on top of the character. I want it to be bold. And I don't want it to have a white box. Make it more transparent. Let's see. My drop item button doesn't even work. It's not even dropping it. Okay, so it says we have to, instead of a screen GUI 2D, we use a billboard GUI 3D. So we got to go to the starter player. Okay, so I'll stop this again. Okay. Starter player. Open starter character scripts. Okay. Insert object. And we're going to name it billboard. Or we're going to type in billboard. Billboard GUI. Okay. Oh, let's see. Name it drop UI. Okay. Rename drop GUI. Check the always on top box. Okay. Check that. Always on top. Size needs to be. It says do. Here, let me just copy and paste. It's like 4010. Okay, stud offset. This pushes it 3 studs above your head. 030. Stud offset. Okay. Adorn, leave blank. It will default to the characters automatically. Adorn. What is adorn? Adorn, leave blank. It's already blank. Okay. Okay, now right click drop UI. GUI. I wonder if I have to delete the old ones. Insert object. Text button. I think I should delete the one under Game Hub in a minute. Okay, Text Hub is fine. I can help you make the map. I mean, when I get to that point, for sure, maybe. For sure. Let me I gotta get the basics here first of all. Like I've never done this before in my life. I'm just like kind of winging it here. So I've done like scripting using AI before, but nothing for Roblox. Configure the system like a side. Okay. Yeah, I moved it so you guys could see better and made it transparent. Okay, configure the text button for it to look. Okay, size. Okay, right click drop UI, insert object, text button. Okay, the size. Okay, size. Background transparency. Including the visible box, just text. Background transparency. One. Okay, so put it to 1. Text. Okay, drop. Drop item. Okay. Test color 3. We'll do white. Okay. Text scaled on. Okay. Inside the text button you made, add a local script. Okay, so plus local script. Push this code in. Now let's fix the server side to ensure actually drops the item. Go to servers. I think I need to delete this other job. Wait, I'll ask it in a minute. Let's go to the rest first. Go to server script service. Find your drop handler, which I already have. Okay. Put this in there. Okay. Okay. Look in replicated. I gotta make sure I have something. Okay, look in replicated storage. Ensure there is a file name exactly this. Drop item event, which I do have. If not, right click. Okay. Test it now. All right, let's see. All right, so we're gonna pick it up. There's a drop item right there. That's not very good though. Look how like it looks trash actually. And I still have the one up here at the top left. And neither one of them drops a stupid item. Hold on. Okay, I gotta delete the other one because the other one's annoying me. I think it's this drop button, right? Let's delete that. Okay. Oh yeah, I deleted the top one. Okay, I don't want it completely transparent. I think I want it lower actually. Hold on. What was the transparency thing at? Pam, you making some food? You making food over there? Are you making food? Nice. Okay, I don't want this completely transparent. Okay. Okay, there. I'm gonna ask AI what's going on here. Okay, there is now a drop item over my head. However, it's completely transparent. Hold on. I want it to look more like this picture here. Also, I can't click it and it doesn't drop. All right. I want it to look like the hold to pick up, you know? Like I want it to look like this, but I want it to say drop item. Oh, this is gonna be forever. We've been at this for an hour, and all we've done so far is place a brain rot and picked it up. Sheesh. Yo, Brad, what up? Well, I mean, I've always had the green screen. I'm just using it for this right now, though. I can't use the green screen with Lincoln because you'll never see him. He's always moving around too much. How's it going, Brad? Okay. All right, we got a new plan here. It's gonna fix it so it looks like the other thing, and we're just gonna hit E button to drop it, which I think is actually a good idea. Okay, so go to your drop UI inside of starter character. Fully deep cleaned your room yesterday, man. Come clean my house. I need to clean my house, but I'm too lazy. I need to hire a maid. I need to hire a maid. Okay. So background transparency. And select text button. Okay. I wish there was an easier way to just find stuff. There's so much stuff in here. Background transparency. Okay. Change it to 0.1. Once you're able to get the basics down, yeah, it'll definitely go way faster then. Sheesh, gonna take a while. Click the color square and set it to dark gray. Okay, click the. Hold on. Click the color square. I see a border color. I don't see a color square. There's a background color, border color. is a text color, text stroke color. I don't see a color square. Oh, it says text color. Wait, what? Background. Oh, it's background color 3. I'm tripping. Background color 3. Okay, here we go. 30, 30, 30. Okay. Oops. Why isn't it saving it? Hold on. Okay, let's type it in here. So 30, 30, 30. Okay, there we go. Okay, 30, 30, 30. Text color 3 set to white. Oh, dang. I just did border color 3. Oh, no. It's supposed to be background color 3. Dang it. I'll do black in a second. So this is supposed to be... Okay. Border color, I think should be black. Okay. Test color 3 to white. It should go in alphabetical order. What are you doing? I'm trying to make my own game. Look, I put this brain rod down. I can pick it. Oh, I should knock it over. I can pick it up. Yee! I can't drop it yet though. I can't figure out how to drop it. I'm making my own Roblox game. The overall goal is to be like a Frogger style game for brain rots. We'll see how it goes. It's gonna take me a while because I've never done this before. So we're creating our own game. We're gonna try to make it pretty easily. 1 hour to get this far so far. Tech color 3 set to white. What's Frogger? There's actually a game kind of like it already on Roblox because I was looking up like, so this Crossroad Obby is kind of like what I want to do, but it's gonna be, but there's gonna be a lot more to it than this. So this is basically a Frogger style game almost right here. Like I looked like this is kind of like what the kind of what I want to get to, but with a lot more than this. So basically, like you try to like get over, you try to get through the area, It's like basically be like this style game. I'm getting wrecked. Basically like that style game. I've never heard of Crossy Roads. Okay. What was I doing? Oh, I forgot what I was doing, guys. Okay. Text color 3 set to white. That's already done. Okay. Generations Frog. Oh, our generation's Frogger. Yeah, Frogger was like an old school like 2D game. Like it was like so. It was like it's just like back when I was a kid. But you know how long ago that was. Text changes to X job item. This tells the player they can press X. Okay, hold on. Text. Let's see. Text. Okay. Font changed to Gotham medium, Gotham bold. Where are fonts at? Can I type in? I cannot. Bro, like they don't have like a search? Oh my god. I don't even have Gothic medium, Gotham bold. Whatever, I'll just do bangers. Who cares? Doesn't let's just get to the point here. Set to 1010. What does that mean? Oh wait, that's font face. That's why. Oh no. What was it before this? Can I control Z it? Uh-oh. 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 I think I messed up. Oh my god, what did I do, chat? I just messed up my whole thing. Redo? 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 Okay, I'm back. Sheesh, that was close. What is a font face? What was it originally? I don't even know. Crap. I really gotta pay more attention when I'm doing this. All right, let's just see. We'll figure it out later. I mean, is that the only font there is, though, actually? Maybe that is it. I almost cooked myself for real. Font style, font size. I feel like this isn't right. I feel like there should be a different place for fonts. Because I don't even see a font size. Whatever, let's just see. We'll go back to this. Let's just see if it works, first of all. The script should fix the click issue. Open the job button handler. I'm confused on what I'm doing. Why does everything have the same script? I just realized. So I need to take a stimulant and you get this done in 4 hours? Yeah, I really should. Hold on. I'm realizing that like it's weird because like the scripts don't like when you click on something, like if I click on this, it doesn't actually pull up the script for that. And maybe that's what I'm having problems for, you know? I thought I was like change like right now if I went into like the drop handler, it's still the same script. Like you literally have to click on like how do you view the script? I don't know if you guys know what I mean or not, but like it's weird because why wouldn't it like if I click on it, why wouldn't it pull up the script I'm working on? No, that like adds an object. I like adds a new script. Like why wouldn't it pull up like if I close all these? Hold on, like I'm gonna close all these real quick. Right, cancel. Okay, hold on. You never use Roblox Studio? I thought you did. I have to literally right click and then open it. I have to remember to do that because if not, I could be like doing the wrong one. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. I don't think I have a drop button or handler. Inside the button, I think it's okay. I think I forgot to name this. Is what it is. I think this is supposed to be renamed to drop button handler. And then okay, let's open this. Let's replace the script in here. If you click, okay, let's see. Hold on. Maybe if I double click it. Oh, I think I messed it up. Look, because now I don't have the button anymore. Shoot. Hmm. What was in here before? That was in there before. Well, that brings the thing back. So I don't think that's it. Here, I'm gonna show. I'm gonna have to get a picture in AI of what I'm doing. Let's see. I think I might have to like start fresh, but like a little bit more knowledge now of what I'm doing. Because I think I might have changed some of the scripts without knowing I was changing or not even changing the right script. Because I didn't realize it wasn't like when I was clicking on it, it wasn't changing the script. Here is what my Explorer looks like currently. What do I need to fix? Oops, hold on. Stop it. The good thing is you can literally post pictures and it'll tell you what's wrong with your stuff, which is pretty good. If I double click it, it doesn't open either, which is weird, right? Oh wait, if I double click it does open, it looks like. Never mind. Yeah, if I double click it, it works. I just have to make sure I'm on the right one. Based on your screenshot, everything in your Explorer looks to be in the correct place. You have the drop item event and register stored and drop handler server scripts is perfect. The issues you're facing can't click drop the word visual probably. Okay. Let's go back to the font real quick. Let's just make it exactly like it says. It says I have all my stuff correct here, but I feel like I don't. Okay. Font face. I wonder if you can add additional fonts because I don't have this freaking Gotham font they're talking about. Let's start there. Under font face, I do. Oops. We're gonna actually start talking here because this is too much trouble. Uh, Under font face, I do not have the Gotham medium or Gotham bold. Wait. Under font face, I do not have Gotham medium or Gotham bold option. I don't have to type everything. I don't have to type everything. Click on the drop down, search Gotham SSM. I don't think I have a Gotham at all, do I? This goes in alphabetical order. Here, look. Dang it. There's no Gotham option at all in my font face. I said fun face. In your fun face. In your fun face. Okay, they said sometimes they change it. So the proximity prompt. Proximity prompt. Tells proximity prompt. I mean, it really doesn't matter, really. The font's not that big a deal. Fredoka one. Oh, look, Fredoka looks one. Okay, Fredoka one. It's a big bubbly font used in Pet Simulator, most simulator games. Let me see what this one looks like. I mean, that looks good enough, right? Why is it not as transparent though, you know? I wish it was more like transparent. I guess it's not. Oh my God, it just fell over. It's not the worst. All right, whatever. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. Okay, clicking the moving button above your head is annoying. It's much easier. Okay, open the drop button handler. Okay, hold on. Open the drop button handler. Inside the text button, replace the code with this version. Okay. Open the drop handler. Okay. All right, now let's try it. Let's see if it works. Will it work? Pick it up. Now that you have my stupid drop button. What the freak? What the freak? This game hates me. Your ass is losing today's Wordle because I don't know the word. What is it? I want to do it. Share the screen on Discord right now. Put it on Discord. Post a picture of it. Just post a picture of it. Post a picture in the general chat. Post a picture in the general chat right now. I'm going to beat it for you. Tell me when it's there. Why can't you just put it in general chat? I don't want people to see our DM conversation. Could be saying weird stuff, bro. I just pushed the wrong button. I just pushed the wrong button. Oh, well. I just clipped that for Twitch for no reason at all. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is my drop handler script you gave me. Now the drop button has disappeared and I can't hit X to drop. Sheesh. What? Why is it a spoiler? Wait, I was gonna try to figure it out. Okay, ratio is goon. It's goon. Hold on. It's got a G in it. It's got a U in it. Um, man, OU should go together, right? It's crazy they don't. If that U is like, that'd be so much easier. Man, it's a good one. Huh. I don't know where that U would go. That's the problem. I don't know. I don't don't know. Where would that you go? Could be like low, LOW, but then what after that? Low, low B. Vow, VOW, vow. Bro, I don't know. I don't know. Let me know you do the fourth one. Let me know you do the fourth one. Open the pickup script, brain rot item. You gave up? What the freak? Cheater? Or weakling? Whatever. I don't know. Upload. Okay, update the pickup. Open the script inside your brain rot item, the one from your second screenshot, and replace. What? Open the script inside your brain rot item? Okay. I've added one crucial line. Wait, what? Okay. He's added one crucial line. This is going to fix it. Let's see. We have it. Ah, I pushed X and it disappeared, but it didn't drop it. No, it's so close. So I picked it up. But if I had drop, it doesn't drop. Okay. Okay. So I pick it up. It shows drop item. X to drop item. I click X. The button disappears. But it doesn't drop. So close. So close. Every line of code you get closer to millions of Robux. Exactly. Exactly. I'm going to have infinite Robux. Infinite Robux. I should just buy this game from this person. That one game. And then just... Only 18 people are active on this game. I should just be like, yo, sell me this game. And then I'll just fix it up the way I want it. Where's my code at? Bro, this gave me two choices. Which response is more helpful? Fudge, I don't know. I think this sounds better. Choice B is more helpful, I believe. You figured it out? What is it? Frostbite? I want to know what it was. But did you cheat though? Did you cheat? Don't cheat. Bro cheated. What was it? You don't think Frostbite would cheat? Oh, I think he would cheat. He's a big cheater. Okay. We're going to go to drop button handler. I gotta go to the drop handler. Okay, let's see if it works, guys. Let's see if it works. Pick it up. Drop it. It did not work. It did not drop to the floor. If not, tell me you see any red, orange text in the output window. What's the... Wait. It did not drop. Wait. It did not drop to the floor. What's the output window? Supposed to be some output window where I can see stuff? Where's that at? I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna cheat and figure it out. Maybe it's loogie. How do you spell loogie? Let's see. How do you spell loogie as into spit? Tahak a loogie. Loogie. L, could that be it? Loo, no, because it has a U in it. That didn't work. Where, hold on, dang it. Where does the value normally go if not next to O? We're trying to help. Yeah, we're trying to help. It's super used. Most calling appears alone in consonant vowels, as in. I don't freaking know what it is. Okay. I gotta get back to what I'm doing here. Click the view tab. Click the icon labeled as outputs. Okay. Aha. Now I can see what the error is and give it to AI. Here is what the output said. Ha 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 ha. All right, we gotta open our drop handler script again and replace the code again. All right. My brain rot item. Hey, where'd all my stuff go? I think we have a problem, chat. I think I lost. I can't play anymore. What did I do? Oh no, I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. Was it mogul? Was that the word? Mogul? I think Cabby cheated, if that's the word. Bro, I lost mogul, like rich isn't mogul like mogul tycoon, something like that? Like he's a rich mogul. I'm about to give up on this right now. I'm about to give up on this right now. I don't know what happened to my brain rot that I had. Like literally, I didn't even do anything. All I did was change this, and now it's gone. Oh, I know what I did. Okay. Because I forgot to stop the script, that's why. Wait. Okay. Stop it. Okay. This is my pickup script. I first thought and looked it up as a real word. Powerful. Yeah, mogul's definitely a word. Excuse me. Okay, guys, this is it. Are you ready? I'm going to be able to drop it. Watch. Watch. No! Didn't work. Okay, this is my pickup script now. And I got this error. I don't know. I'm not trying. My friends would get mad at you. This is fine. For real, it is. The error message is actually very helpful. It tells us that the drop signal is firing, but okay, the most likely reason for this is the pickup script is crashing for it can reach the. Place your pickup script with this updated version. All right, guys. This is the one. This is the one. We're going to pick it up and we're going to drop it. Here we go. Pick it up. You suck. You suck. They probably have a thing, Cappy, where they agree not to cheat. Which basically, if you gave him the word, then it's cheating. But we okay. We all need to know if that was the word, though. All right. We said it failed again, and we gave it a new reason to fall. It's looking for a child named Carrie brain rot. You need to tell the drop handler to look inside player character. Open your drop handler. Holy crap, bro. Okay, replace the script again. Will it work? Will it work? I think Cappy cheated. Bro, it will not pick it up. I will not drop it. All right, Cappy. All right. Handler code. This is my error. Sheesh. Says this is the final hurdle, chat. This is the final hurdle. The ultimate fix. This is it. Oh, you know what? I think I'm not. Okay, server script server, job handler. Okay, actually, I'm doing it right. It says why this will work. All right, this is it. Bro, this game hates me. I'm never gonna be able to drop this stupid brain rot. I'm renaming this to pickup script. Okay. Pickup script. All right. Update the job handler to this. They're so much smaller now. Hey, it worked. It worked. Look. Oh, pick it up. Drop it. Pick it up. Drop it. Let's go. We did it. We are better. Oh my God, that took forever. Let's go. Sheesh. Oh, GG's. Okay, I don't want this to fall over though. That was kind of funny. Let's go. Okay. All right. This is going pretty good. This is going pretty good. All right. Success. We can now pick up and drop. What's next? Sheesh. I got to go pee again. That was a lot of work. It's been an hour and 40 minutes, and all we did is pick up and drop it. I'll be right back. All right. Brad is making up words. just kidding, bro. Relax. Relax. It's a joke. Wow, the reincarnation? Dang. GG's. This wants me to like do the placement script now. But I'm like, if I use some of these pre-made like maps, will it have the script already? Like this says has scripts already. Let me save this real quick. How do I save this? The beginning. Sure, whatever. Player made models, by the way. I don't know if it's possible anymore, but when people used to upload scripts into the models to grab your account, that's a good advice. Well, some of these have like a lot of ratings, so hopefully they'll be okay. You'd think, you know. It says like 80%, 86%, and 2,000. Basically the same age as you, Brad. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Okay. They might have a problem again. I literally saved it, and now my like brain rot is gone. Why? I mean, it's still here, but like if I stop, it's not showing over here. I don't get it. I should just hire somebody to do this. I don't get it. Where did my brain rot go in my codes? Like my drop UI is still here. Oh, here it is. It's like way up here. Holy crap. I found it. Never mind. Never mind. You called your 20-year-old friend Unk yesterday and he was actually tweaking. Yeah, that's crazy. The word Unk, like this whole like thing that came around where kids like to pick on adults. Like we're too old to do this or too old to do that. Grown ass man, Unk, all that stuff. I hate that. I mean, I don't really care, but it's annoying as hell. Like people, at some point, someone said it, and then the whole world ran with it, and now everybody just says stuff like that to everybody. If anybody is of any kind of age, everybody just wants to hate on them because of their age. Like everybody doesn't get old. It's so annoying. Okay, it says to build a stand. It says the home in the home tab. Click part. In the home tab, I don't even have a home tab. Oh, I have a home tab. Click part. Okay. Rename it to display stand. Okay. Insert object. Attachment. Move the attachment to the center top of the platform? What does that even mean? I'm gonna tell Lincoln to call you Uncle Brad. Unky Brad.
What's good ONC? Old and cool.
Wouldn't that be UNC? That's Onk. What's good, Onk? I don't get what this means. Why were you outside all night? Did you get locked out of your house like Brad did? I ate all my candy again. I ate all my candy again. Got any pictures of what you spray painted? I want to see. Let me see what you spray painted. Oh man. Bro, freaking, you know who likes Jubes? Billy. I literally made a video on it. I bought Jubes and I hated them. They were so bad. Billy loves Jubes. She said I got the wrong one. I got the green one. Me and Lincoln made a TikTok on it. It's on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. And I thought it was absolutely horrid. And then Billy said I got the wrong one, but I don't know which one she wanted me to get. Where's Billy at right now? Because Billy loves Jubes. This is the one I got right here. The coconut gel. She said I should have got a different one. So I did, and then I'm like, you know what? I'm not trying it again. Because I asked her, I pulled it up on Amazon. I go, this? And she goes, yeah, order that one. So I ordered it, and it was horrible. Let's see. Right here, look. Jubes! Jubes! We got these coconut. They're. I don't know what they are, honestly. They're chewy, juicy cubes in some juice. When I was doing eat them by themselves. When I was doing my what do you call it? With a cocktail. Shout out to Zanny. My butt's cut on Twitch. She put me on this. She said, "You gotta try it. This is the best thing ever." She saw me try those sour, frozen cellos, whatever they're called. So I was like, "All right, I'm gonna try this for you." So ordered it on Amazon. It was like $8. Lincoln and I are gonna try it together. Let's get it open. I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. Hold on, I'm trying not to spill it, guys. This was not good. Oh my gosh. What's the good one? Or scissors. Pause.
Back with the open juice.
Movie magic, we're back. Let me see if I can show you what it looks like in here without spilling it. So see, they're like white cubes in a liquid. You want to go first? I didn't even have a mullet in that one. It was shaved all the way in the back. Thank you very much. You just want to try one? I can't get just here. There's two. It's fine. Ready? Go ahead. Look at the camera. Let me see. Is it good? No. He does not like it. Lincoln hated it. Exactly.
Ow, ow, ow.
What tastes bad about it?
I gotta go.
He's gotta go. He went to go spit it out. All right. I'm going to get 2, and I'm going to get some of the juice. So we got like a whole spoonful and juice. I like coconut. Nope. Yeah, Lincoln said owl. This is not it. What does it taste like? First of all, the texture is weird. Okay. It's kind of like slimy and chewy. And the aftertaste, it's like coconut, but with like some medicine. For me, this is like a 0 out of 10, honestly. Yeah, I don't like it. I need to, Zanny, drop me your address. I'm gonna mail the rest of this to you because no bueno.
This is the worst.
The worst. That was so bad. It was actually so bad. It was actually so bad. And it's crazy you're the second person to recommend that to me, and it wasn't even good the first time. Do I need to like? Can I just add this? AI review this script so it doesn't steal my stuff like you said, Brad. Holy crap, look how long this script is in here for this freaking model. I downloaded a display stand through Roblox Studio that had a script already. Is this script safe? Can you play my game already? Absolutely. You want to just pick up and drop some brain rots? Look, it goes, no, that script is not safe. You should delete it. And the model came immediately. While it looks like a complex light massive, it contains several major red flags. Malicious Roblox script backdoors. Dang, look at that, Brad. You're right. Look at that. Sheesh. That's crazy. That's crazy. I am lucky you're here. Dang, GG's. I wonder if this other brain rot I have has any backdoor stuff. Now I'm scared. I gotta check it all. Let me see. I gotta make sure there's no script in this brain rot I have. This is just like, what do scripts look like actually? Scripts look like, okay, they look like that, so. I think this is good. So basically just don't download anything with scripts is basically what I should do. Because it tells you if it has a script involved in it or not. So just don't download script stuff. That's crazy. That is crazy. Look, I can publish it to Roblox. Let's see. Can you actually go? Can you guys go in it now? Let me see. Let's see. Where's my experience? My creations. Wait, shouldn't I have more? Super Zion's Place has 44 visits. I don't even know what this is. I think I literally did nothing with this. This is my house, chat. This is my house. What even is this? Is this like what they just give you when you just have nothing, I guess? I don't know. When you publish it, where does it go? I thought it would like go under my experiences. Does it take time to show up or what? I don't even know. Oh, all right. I think I'm done. I think I'm gonna take a break and chill. This has been a lot of work for 2 hours. Lincoln will be home in like 2 hours and he wants to play some games, so I'll be back on in 2 hours with Lincoln to play some games. For now, I just need a break. That was a lot of trouble for very little reward. A lot of trouble for very little reward. Or we could just play, or I could just chill and relax. Which also sounds like a great idea. Plus, I got these people coming to fix my stupid window here soon. It's gonna cost me a freaking $1,000. $1,000. They're coming to fix it. I'm not excited about spending $1,000 to fix my freaking stupid windshield. Go take a beauty nap? I'm not taking a beauty nap for sure, but you cursed me for the last time. How dare you? How dare you? And don't call me Unk either. And don't call me, if Brad doesn't want to be called Unk, I don't want to be called Unk. You got it? You got it? I'm like, what could I play? If I wanted to play something. I don't feel like playing anything right this second. All right, guys. Yeah. Peace and love. I'll see you guys all later. Bye, guys. Nah, I don't want to play Mega Block or nothing. What is this? What is that Clarisimo? Is it on right now? It's not even on right now, is it? You mean this Clarisimo right here? Claris! It's Claris! She came to hang out. She came to hang out. Look at Claris. Oops, wrong one. Claire's getting jiggy with it in the corner, chat. Claire's getting jiggy with it in the corner. We also got, oh, that's not it. Anyways, didn't know you could put your games into a folder. Wow. Yes. Well, I mean, I put all the shortcuts. That way I just, only the games I want, like I currently am playing. So I don't forget. Like, oh yeah, I could play that game. If I delete it, then I delete it from the folder. So, all right. Peace. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.